Hi there, Sparkrock community. We're back with another new feature, and it's another popular feature request for HR and payroll customers. Introducing Absence Payouts. It's such a common situation. Employees have bank vacation time or other time, and they ask to be paid out. Or maybe an employee is being terminated, and that bank's time needs to be paid out. Now, it has been possible to handle this in Sparkrock 365, but it's involved a lot of manual busy work doing calculations and paying it out, and that's inefficient and can lead to errors. And while we admire the creativity you've shown to deal with this situation, eliminating manual busy work is what we're all about. In this video, we're going to take you through the new Absence Payout Request feature in Sparkrock 365. We'll show you how to pay the payout request in Payroll, and then show you the setup that needs to be done to use it. Let's get started. To access the payout request screen, go up here to Tell Me and search for Payout Requests. You'll see the Payout Request page will appear here under Pages, and we don't have any yet, so we're going to create a new one by choosing New. And so we'll select an employee, give it a date, we'll select our cause of absence code, and say we're paying out sick leave. And you can see it's already filled in that this employee has 12 hours available for this cause of absence code. So let's say we're going to pay out 6 hours, and then we choose a payout date. And it's likely that you're going to go through and request approval. I'm not going to show that here. I'm just going to process it. And first of all, you can see that now that I've processed it, we had requested to pay out 6 hours. So now she's gone down from 12 hours to 6 hours. And if we go to absence registration, we can see now we have our 6 hours paid out. There's a new source type for payout. And you can see that it's related to this payout request. And if you ever want to navigate back to that payout request, you can go to Related, Absence, and there's a new menu option here, Payout Request. And that will take us back to that payout request. If the payout request hasn't been run through Payroll yet, which we're going to show in a moment, it is possible to cancel the payout request, which will altogether cancel the request. Or if you need to make some changes, you can select Reopen. That will reopen the request. You can then make your changes and then have it approved and process it again. Now let's take a look at how to pay out this payout request from Payroll. So we're here in the compensation journal, and we're going to go Load Lines. And you can see here, there's a new switch here, Load Payout Time. That's telling Sparkrock 365 that we want to send our payout requests with our payroll. And we'll clear batch, we'll load some salary lines. We'll filter by our employee. We'll hit OK. And it's created 2 lines. We have our salary, but now we are paying out that 6 hours of earned sick pay. And there's this new payout absence column that will show that. Then you would just run payroll like normal, and this payout request would be paid on the employee's paycheck. Now there's a few setup bits that are required to use the new Absence Request Payout feature, so let's take a look at that now. The main setup for doing a payout request is associated with the causes of absence. So if we go to Tell Me, we go to Causes of Absence, and we'll go down to that sick pay that we were just using, the sick leave at 100%. The most important thing is there's a new switch here called Allow Payout. Likely, you're only going to want to allow certain types of payout requests. And for those types, checking this Allow Payout will allow Payroll to pick these causes of absence up. And then finally, we have the HR pay code. That field's not new, but you need to make sure that it's associated with a pay code if you want it to be paid out on the employee's paycheck. You also need to go to Advanced HR Setup. So go to Tell Me, Advanced HR Setup, and select a number series for this new payout request numbers field. So I have one here, but if you don't, select from full list and create a new one. So that's the new Absence Payout Request feature in Sparkrock 365. It's one of those features where if you need it, you really need it. And it's one of the many quality of life features that we're cooking up for our finance and HR customers. Thanks so much for watching.